Alright guys, so you have finished playing the toilet paper game, and I hope you all really enjoyed that, and I hope someone picked like 32 pieces of toilet paper. I just think that'd be amazing. So now what we're going to do, friends, is your teacher is going to give you one index card for each piece of toilet paper that you picked, okay? So, and I'm going to keep this, but I'm going to keep these over here, okay? And I'm going to get 4 index cards, okay? So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you're going to do is you're going to stack them just like I am, okay? You're going to stack them vertically, all right? And you're going to make yourself like a skyscraper. And now, what you're going to do is you're going to make this into a house that's about you, or a skyscraper that's about you, okay? And if you have a glue stick or tape, what I like to do is just put a little line of glue on there and then attach them like this right here, okay? So just like that for all of these, and I'm going to do that before I start coloring them. And you're going to make this super duper bright and super duper colorful, okay? And I like to use my things that I wrote on my toilet paper. I like to use those as a guide to help me create my house. So maybe I could make like my first level of my house about my fake tooth, okay? And my second level about something else. So you're going to decorate this and make this about you. And then after we're finished, we're going to tape them up on the wall. If you're not at the very beginning of the day, you might see some that's already taped up on the wall, but you're going to tape them together, and we're going to have different communities. So we're going to have a library community, a guidance community, art and music community, and then I think we're going to put them in the gym. We'll have 4 different communities, and we're going to show that art is the heartstring of Anderson and that it connects us all in different ways. So you're going to decorate this, and then you're going to put them up on the wall. Your teacher will help you with that. Teachers, I have written instructions for you that explains how exactly to do that. And if you all need anything, just holler at me, okay? So I'm going to pause the video now, and I'm going to decorate my house, and then I'm going to show you my example here in just a second and show you how kind of I've decorated it. All right, friends, I'll be right back. All right, friends, so here is how my house or my skyscraper finished, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to, so you all have made your own little skyscraper, and we're going to attach them together on the wall, kind of like this right here, okay? So if this was somebody else's skyscraper, they would be right beside each other, just like this, and we're just going to put a little bit of glue and attach them. And there should be a big old long wall of them, and we're going to have 4 of them, 4 of these little communities. And we're going to put these communities together somewhere within the school. That way we can show that art is the heartstrings of Anderson. All right, guys, well, I cannot wait to see what you've created. And see, I even added a little roof to mine. You can add whatever you want to. You can decorate it. You don't have to put your name on it like I did. Just make it about you, okay? I used my 2 favorite colors, this mustard yellow and navy. So you can do whatever you want to. All right? Happy making, friends.